how to create a Google account. So if you want to create a Google account, then what you need to do is you just need simply go with your browser at first and search for google.com and go with the top right. You will have sign in option if you don't have any account on your device, but if you already have an account and if you want to create another one, then you can go with the profile, which is on the top right. Tap on show more accounts and tap on add another account. Tap on create, or if you don't find that option right here, you can go with your Google application, go with your profile, which is on the top right, go with the drop down and tap on add another account. Select Google, verify if it's you, and now you'll have create account on the left side. Tap on create account and then you can select for your personal use or for your work or your business. I'll go with personal use. Now you need to enter your first and last name and then go with next. Enter your basic information like your date of birth, your gender, and go with next. Enter your username, go with next. Create a strong password, so make sure that you have the password with a mixture of letters, numbers and symbol. And once you create a strong password, you can go with next again and your account will be created. That's how you can create a Google account, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.